Shalom, greetings in the name of the Lord YESHUA. Today is the late hours of Friday, the 31st of January 2025. So I'm going to read a couple of verses to encourage our children, our youths who are still in the Lord, who are being wise virgins, both physically and spiritually, that they should hold on because the Lord our God knows them. Don't let anyone look down on you because you are young, but set an example for the believers in speech, in conduct, in love, in faith, and in purity. 1 Timothy chapter 4, verse 12. 2 Timothy chapter 2, verse 22 also reads, "So flee youthful passions and pursue righteousness, faith, love, and peace, along with those who call on the Lord YESHUA from a pure heart, a holy life." Amen. Lastly, we read Ecclesiastes 12, verse 13. "Now all have been heard. Here is the conclusion of the matter. Fear God and keep his commandments, for this is the duty of all mankind."
Ọmọ mi ṣe rere tí a dára o. Ọmọ mi gbọ́ tèmi tí a dára o. Ọmọ mi ṣe rere tí a dára o. Ọmọ mi gbọ́ tèmi tí a dára o. Ìyá mi máa ṣe rere gbàdúrà fún mi. Bàbá mi máa ṣe rere gbàdúrà fún mi. Tọ́mọdé bá hùwà burúkú wọ́n ní ìyá ẹ̀ lóko. Tọ́mọdé bá hùwà burúkú wọ́n ní bàbá ẹ̀ lóko. Ìyá mi fọ̀nà tó